Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the St. Augustine Airport for the Wings and Wheels number 4, put on by Staker Productions. We went to this car show last year. It seems like it was in the middle of spring to late spring, summer time frame, and it was hot. It was a show. It was a good show, but it was hot. So they moved it up to February this year. Not sure that was a good choice either. This is going to be the car show cam. There's a little bit on it where we're driving in and then we drive back out. That's all there is on this one because we were not in the show. We could not get close to the show. We parked at the airport though, so we got it was good there. But we weren't able to get in. We didn't go into the show because we were going to be late. We just didn't want to feel fool with that because we had other shows to go to. It was just a mess. Anyway, this is going to be the car show cam. There's not a lot on it. If you know, you know. Just skip on to the Scooter Vision or the Lid Cam or the Walkabout Cam. They'll have plenty of car show coverage on those. So yeah, this was a good show. Just a little weirdly organized this year. Nose to nose in a car show really isn't very good. You need them tail to tail so you can see the front of the car. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you drop us a like, comment, subscribe, share it around, do all the YouTubey things. It really helps out the channel. That's really all I got. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's rip it up from Cotton Rod.
I've got a vendor pass.
Oh, vendor?
Yeah.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
Just hold up your pass.
Yeah.
And you know where you're supposed to go?
Back yonder.
Okay.
Where we parked last time.
Alright. Yeah, you probably need to turn it where they can read it. There you go. Okay.
Follow that, be careful.
Yeah.
But you can follow that Honda.
I know where to go.
I don't know sheets.
Alright. Thank you.
Hold up, I see a sheet, y'all good.
Yep.
They're good.
They're using the school buses to bus them in.
Mm-hmm. Can you imagine trying to get on that?
It's got that?
Vendor.
Vendor. You should, I'll make it right. That way it will direct you.
All right.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Multipass.
Leela and multipass.
Oh, God. You're mine, I swear.
Ain't nothing but movie references and bad jokes up here.
This money is expensive and the interest compounds quickly. These law firms can have a huge need for cash just to pay that debt. Why does it matter to you? My fear is your case is settled early and for far less than it's worth. Just to service the loan that has
What is this one doing?
They got a bus coming out.
Oh, okay.
That plus our reputation makes our firm your firm. Visit forthepeople.com to see our results and verdicts. Morgan & Morgan. For the people.
I didn't think that through too well.
Well, it's a narrow corridor.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think they were thinking they were going to be using full-size school buses either.
Oh, I think they were, dear.
Just fine.
You a vendor?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna go through here. There's gonna be a couple, boy and a girl, and they'll tell you where to go from there.
All right.
Just keep that in your windshield if you will.
They're
right.
vendors too.
Vendors.
You're gonna follow them. Have a great day.
You going it?
Yep.
Yep.
All right.
Don't look like they got too many vendors here today.
Well, it's all over there.
Mm-hmm.
Handicap parking.
Handicap. Alright. So you're gonna follow this car, but you're not gonna follow her completely. You're gonna see that red truck.
Yep.
Yep, that's where you're gonna go in that little parking lot.
All right.
That red truck.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess so.
There ain't no parking there. They should park by that gray car. Doesn't matter.
Hey,
Hi.
are you guys vendor? Just go through there.
All right. I kind of figured as much. Park along the fence
Yeah.
where we parked last time.
Mm-hmm. Might be still a couple handicap spots over here.
Right there.
Okay.
My nose is running.
I'm actually kind of hot. Damn ankle. Pounding. Shoes coming off. I may have to come out of this jacket. Man, there's a shit ton of people out here.
Yeah, and still coming.
Uh-huh. Pull over, pull over.
No, they got to go over that way.
Oh, okay. Then you might. Okay. Watch him for the buses.
Okay.
You're good all the way out. Why are these people that walking in are parked? Is your window down? Okay. Yeah, we're leaving. Oh. Alright. I think.
Right.
Oh shit.
The vendor vehicle.
Mm-hmm. Did people not know they had to park off-site? And yeah, if he couldn't get up in a bus, he should have called them and made arrangements. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You figured it out.
Yeah, it turned into one big old clusterfuck in there.
Mm-hmm.
Because you.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Wings and Wheels car show at the St. Augustine Airport. We enjoyed the show, but there were a few things that they could work on and improve. I think they did a good job with what they had. Sorry, I got a text. Anyway, there were just a couple things that were kind of mechanically a little weird for me. And I've mentioned it in the intro, about the cars were faced in. They probably should have been faced out so you could see. But otherwise, it was a good show. There were a ton of cars out there. I couldn't see them all. I could not get to all the cars. Not even talking about the ones on the tarmac. I'm talking about the ones that were in the infield. It was just kind of weirdly set up. I mean, I don't have any suggestions on how to improve it, but it is, Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you do all the like, subscribe, comment, share. We're at 354 subscribers. We're trying to get to 500. That's the minimum goal to get some YouTube dollars. We're almost there. A little bit longer, and I think we'll be there. That's really all I got. I hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to be out at the car shows from here until Christmas. I'll try to do my best to let you know where we're going to be. So we'll see you guys out at the next one, whatever the next one may be.